Banana Pumpkin Pie Recipe. National Pie Day is a special day created by the American Pie Council to encourage you to bake your favorite pie and to eat pie. Such a delicious challenge. Who is the mad genius who thinks these things up? I love you, whoever you are. As a long-standing pie lover, I think this day should be a national holiday. So let's celebrate not by hauling out an old standby, but by baking a brand new pie recipe. Why don't we do a riff on pumpkin pie? I could eat pumpkin pie any day of the year and not just for Thanksgiving. Pumpkin pie is a champion multitasker. It's great for dessert, but also for breakfast. Come on, try to tell me you have never had leftover pumpkin pie for breakfast. So let's put a new twist on it. Ingredients: 1/2 cup dark brown sugar packed, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1 cup mashed ripe bananas about 3 medium, 1 cup evaporated milk or light cream, 1 unbaked 9-inch pastry shell, 3 eggs slightly beaten. Instructions: heat oven to 400 degrees. In a large bowl, mix sugar, flour, salt, ginger, nutmeg, cloves and cinnamon. Stir in pumpkin, bananas, eggs and evaporated milk. Pour into unbaked pastry shell. Bake at 400 degrees for 40 minutes or until tip of knife comes out clean. Remove from oven, cool on a rack, and serve at room temperature.